Hi, my name is Ryan. I made this interactive cookbook so that I could share and add recipes with my friends and family. This is the home page of my cookbook. It is showing some of the food that you could find recipes for when we navigate to the recipe page. If we click on the link named Recipes, we're able to pull up a page and get that list. How this is accomplished is by the client sending a GET request to the server, which in turn makes a SQLized query to the database gathering the recipe's names. If we click on the name of a recipe, we can get a recipe card that shows the ingredients and instructions for that recipe. This information is gathered from multiple tables using a query that pulls and joins all the information using the recipe ID as the key. From this point, we can navigate back to the recipe list and choose another recipe, or we can navigate back to the home page. If the user wants to add a new recipe to the list, they can do so by clicking on the link named Add a Recipe. The user inputs a recipe name followed by instructions. When the Add Instructions button is clicked, it will show up on the preview form. At this point, the user can input as many ingredients as needed for the recipe. If at any time an ingredient needs to be deleted, it can be done so with the Remove Ingredient button. When the user is satisfied with the preview of their recipe, they can submit the recipe with the Add Recipe button. This will pop up an alert window confirming that the recipe has been added. When the recipe button is clicked, the client is sending a post request to the server that inserts the data on the preview to the various tables, storing the recipe name, ingredients, and instructions. If we navigate to the recipe list, we can see that the recipe is now added to the list, and we can pull up the information on the recipe card. The languages and framework that I used for this project were JavaScript, HTML, and CSS for the front end, and Node.js, Express, and PostgreSQL for the back end. Thank you.